Locals vintage.
Oh, he just got so scared when you did that.
We should shoot this like a classic home video. What do you open there, Kaylee?
Stop. I bought a new side table.
Your kids are gonna know this side table. I need to do like the classic camera flip and showing my face. A sample side table prototype.
I want to be careful opening it.
Some savvy purchase.
It was sort of impulse, but I have been thinking about these side tables for a while. They're just normally like $1,200 and I got them for $300 just because it's a sample and it has a little bit of marking on it. But yeah, I'm about that.
I think it'll be fine opening. It's probably padded pretty well.
Oh
no.
Buying new furniture before we have an apartment.
Although I would say, as far as the number of times we look at furniture, it's not very many.
That's fair.
And not very many conversions.
Oh my gosh. Don't break it.
This is the bottom. It's felted on the bottom.
That's nice.
Underworld Mickey Mouse.
Oh, it's so much lighter than the other one. Another unboxing. This one is for Avery and I both.
Our costumes.
Our costumes. Ooh. So, this is from Calvin Klein. It's for both Avery and I. We are going to New York for them next week. And Avery, there are some things in here that we didn't ask for.
Nice.
So that's why it's heavier.
Yeah, I was wondering why it was so heavy. We picked out our outfits for this event.
Your handwriting's cute. It looks like yours.
So what do you get? Just give a sneak peek of what your outfit's gonna be.
A turtleneck.
Nice. Oh wow, it's ribbed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. That's gonna be good.
Prairie dress.
Super long too, like all the way down to your feet.
Love it. Oh!
Hey dinosaur!
We cleaned up the mess.
Look at that kid.
Here.
Yep, no packing peanuts to eat. So not everything that we saw that showroom a while ago is available for us to pick out, but that dress was, and that was like one of our favorite things.
Yeah, definitely. So this is Raf's rendition of Calvin Klein jeans, which is sort of like the diffusion line. And it's really cool that he has a say in it because a lot of times the creative directors don't really do anything with diffusion lines.
Little crew neck.
Yes.
Oh, is that an extra too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice.
Well, I picked out 2 outfits. And some good
jeans. Oh, those.
And I won't unbox Avery's stuff for him.
This is almost over. You're about to be back on duty.
Cooking dinner. I just chopped up a bunch of different vegetables. We're cooking for the family tonight again. But also I'm sure there's gonna be leftovers. It's just always better to cook a lot at once. So we have Brussels sprouts, asparagus, broccoli, and mushrooms roasting in the oven right now. We just picked this up from Trader Joe's, a vegan pesto. Sounds great. Kale, cashew, and basil. I like pesto, but also I'm not the hugest fan, but sometimes I'm really in the mood for it. And then just a regular tomato basil sauce, so we'll probably add some red pepper too to make it a bit more spicy. And we have just a tiny bit of cashew parmesan left that we made at home. I actually filmed this in my What I Eat in a Week video on my main channel, so I'll link that below if you're interested. That's the dinner for tonight. I am really loving cooking so much more than I used to. It's crazy. I just find it relaxing and peaceful. I haven't really eaten all day, which is bad. I had like a cookie at Starbucks where we were working because they had a vegan cookie. It was really good. It was like an oatmeal macadamia cookie with like raisins or cranberries or something in it. You should try it out if you're ever at Starbucks. But I've just been caffeinated all day and feeling just a bit off the past few mornings, and I haven't wanted to eat that much, but I'm ready for this meal. I'm trying not to snack on something else while things are cooking. Today, like I said, we pretty much just worked in a coffee shop and shot something for an Instagram brand collaboration that I'm doing. I've been doing most of my brand related work on Instagram lately, which I am really enjoying. It's nice to actually make some money off of Instagram because I post a photo like every day, and I used to not do very many brand deals on there, but lately some good ones have been coming in. So I'm feeling very grateful for that, and grateful for you guys for allowing that to happen. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'll link it down below. Today I also tried to make a hair appointment and it just couldn't happen. It's like a sign that I should just continue letting my roots grow out. They don't look bad right now. It's just in some photos it looks really bad and I just edit my roots. I'm not ashamed. But like right now in real life, everyone tells me like, no, it doesn't look bad, but I don't know. I am wanting to lighten my hair. Hi guys, I have just been watching more videos of the testimony in the hearing with Dr. Ford and Kavanaugh, and it's just totally heartbreaking. I've been watching it on and off all day as I've been working. I just wanted to come on here and talk about it a bit. I'm pretty sure like 90% of you guys that follow me on here are women, and I know that probably the majority of you have dealt with a similar situation, at least to some degree, of what she has dealt with and what she is having to broadcast to the entire country, the entire world, basically, with so much scrutiny. And I know that it like brings up hard feelings for a lot of us. Lately, I have seen sort of a post going around that's basically like, if I am friends with your abuser, tell me and I won't be. And I just kind of wanted to say that on here, but also just like share that it can be really tough, especially in friend groups. And like, I don't know, I of course grew up with guys where like the Kavanaugh story, like of course it's true. Of course it's true. I don't know, like I have stayed friends with guys, not close friends of course, but stayed friendly with boys that have done that. And I was even just going through my Instagram and realizing that like situations where I have been like assaulted or had to escape. Like one in particular, I have the guy muted on Instagram posts and stories just because, I don't know, he's like in a friend group and I haven't unfollowed him. Yeah, I just wanted to say that I know that it's really tough. She is so strong for coming forward, and anyone that's ever come forward is so strong. And I just wanted to say that. Hopefully, one day we can all be that strong, and one day it won't be such an issue. It's so crazy to hear and see in the media a lot about how, like, all men should be scared now, and if this keeps happening, we're never going to get anything accomplished. But it's just so simple, and it should be so easy. It's so easy to not assault or rape or harass women. It's so easy. And that's all I have to say.
Although it did seem like one of their... I should probably put on an outfit. Brown pants. Getting a sneak peek at my new haircut. Hi from New York, hi from the future, soon to be past, I guess. But I wanted to come on and end this vlog. This was filmed before Vlogtober started, which, by the way, I have been vlogging every day. I just haven't had a chance to edit and upload all the footage, but I wanted to get this one out first. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you soon with another video.